and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this soft glam makeup look. I like how this makeup look, it turned out really pretty. Feeling the vibes, especially like the brown tones and the gold tones, like the fall vibe going on. I'm going to be playing with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sculpture palette. I haven't used this palette in a hot minute, so I was like, why not create a look with this palette for you guys, you know, just to give you ideas. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Talia and welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below. If you check out my mom's channel, link her YouTube channel down below in the description box so you guys can check her out. She's a little shy person. That's pretty much it, guys. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Off camera, I did my eyebrows and I also primed my eyelid and set it with powder. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sculpture palette. I'm excited to create a look for you guys just to get the, you know, the old palettes back and more into like soft glam makeup look, like more into the brown tone, neutral tones. I'm aiming for a little glam, a little, you know, sparkle up the eye looks. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Wet n Wild brush, this type of angle. It's more like a lighter neutral brown shade, which is this one right here. My fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just like apply this in my whole entire crease area. Just going back and forth all over my crease area as my first base. With this Roxy, which is more like in the pink tones, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that shade brush, this type of angle, apply this like the middle of my crease area. I do want the shades to reflect and show all shades. Centers, I'm going in my inner corner and in my outer corner. You grab a little bit more, that way the shade can reflect the pink tone little by little, just so I can get that nice color shade. Taking this shade called Fudge, which is more like in a brown tone, Wet n Wild brush, this type of small angle, halo eye, that's what I'm aiming for. And so I'm going to apply this shade in the outer V, just kind of like patted. Go ahead and do the same thing on the inner corner of my eyelid. Go ahead and just blend that, do swirls, and kind of like blend it in. I'm gonna go ahead and go back with the Roxy shade, and I'm gonna go ahead just blend the top area, the down shade, and I'm gonna blend the top. Go ahead and do a cut crease. I'm gonna be taking this angle brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and take my Colourpop concealer, just create the halo angle. This angled brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and take Adorn, which is this brown shimmer shade, put it on my concealer. A little bit of the Fudge shade, and I'm gonna apply it to my halo eye. Take the pink shade, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on the top, just very slightly, not too hard. The down shade, just to blend all these shades. I'm gonna finish the eyes later, and we're gonna start off with their face. My E.l.f. mineral infused primer to focus on my T-zone area, like around my cheekbones area, and I'm also gonna apply it like on my forehead, my nose, and my chin area. So that's where I'm mainly focusing. For For foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Covergirl True Blend Matte Foundation, and this one is the shade Classic Ivory. It is not really that matte, and I love how it feels on my face, and it stays super long. When it comes to like matte foundations, I always have to apply like a little Argan Oil or something, so it could be a little bit dewy. Blend my foundation. And I always like to drag it down my neck because the colors are never correct and never matches my neck. So for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and this one is the shade Fair 06. Like 3 lines, that will do it for me. LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, and this one is the shade Porcelain. And I'm just gonna apply it on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead area. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my concealer. Hoola Benefit Contour Stick. And contour my forehead area. A little bit on the forehead. Spray my sponge, and then gonna go and blend my contour. Under eyes, I'm gonna go in with Airspun Loose Face Powder, and this one is Translucent Extra Coverage. Apply it on my under eye, just so I can set it. Go ahead and just set my nose area too, because I want my whole makeup to last my mouth area, because this product is pretty intense. Let it set for a minute or so. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my powder. Around my nose area. I'm gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my forehead. I do want my forehead area to be a little bit bronzy. Contour my nose. Contour the nose area. Back with the translucent powder. I am going to take my Morphe contour sponge. LA Girl Just Blushing, and this one is the shade Just Glowing. Highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my Pure Cosmetic highlighter, taking this shade right here for my highlighter. Apply it on my tip of my forehead. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose area, on my cupid's bow area, and remove the translucent powder. Go ahead and finish the eyes. I'm gonna go back with the palette, the Roxy shade, and I'm gonna apply it in my bottom lash line. Go ahead and take my e.l.f. eyeliner. Mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline mascara and apply a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. Of the Pure Cosmetic highlighter, and I'm actually going to apply it in the inner corner, just so it can brighten up the eye look area. For setting spray, I'm gonna go in with my Ulta setting spray. Lips, I'm gonna go in with my Kylie lip liner. This one is Dolce K. I'm gonna go in with my Lorac Los Angeles. This one is the Pirates Caribbean, my Heartless. And then I'm applying a little bit of the Colourpop. This one is the Moonchild. So this is the final look, guys. I really like how this makeup look turned out, especially the halo eye look. It turned out really pretty, and I just loving the brown tones. If you guys really enjoy this video, please give it a huge big thumbs up. See you guys on the next video. Bye guys.